Hello everyone, how you doing? This video I'm going to talk about part 2 of basically my recovering my ankles, and that was stem cell therapy. Now, my wife actually got me into this stem cell therapy because she had it also done on her knee. We were trying to basically fight off having to do a hip knee replacement, and she tried this, and listen, for the most part it helped her knee. We weren't sure how long it was going to last, but 9 years ago, almost 9 years ago, she had it done, and so far, listen, other than old age, her knee is holding up fine. I mean, this is something that she hurt many years ago as a youngster. But for 9 years, she hasn't had to need a knee replacement. So after I had my hyprocure surgery on my ankles, I still had pain. Even though my feet were in alignment and my back was in alignment for the first time in my life. So I went to go see the same person my wife did. And, he actually took MRIs and everything, and when he saw the damage that had been done from years of having flat feet, I had a hairline fracture in my ankle. That was been there for years. It was really, really small. I mean, so small that an X-ray would never been able to see it. I had both my muscles under my feet. The arch of my feet were partially torn, especially my right one, which was more severe. I also had a partial tear in my ligament in my right foot, damage to the tendons from all those years of being flat-footed, and as well as arthritis. So I had the stem cell therapy done, and by the way, this is the second time I put this video out because my last channel was knocked down. So for all you satanic worshippers out there, don't get too excited. And for them pro-choice people out there who want to attack me and say you used aborted babies to heal your problem, no, these stem cells were from my own body. And what they do is they take them out from the side. Doctor cleans them up with a machine and puts them back in the areas which was causing me more pain. In this case, several spots on my ankle and well under my muscle in my arch. So the procedure didn't take too long at all, I think. Again, thanks to that Propofol stuff. Another great power nap. I was done in, I don't know, not even a half hour. And he told me it could take anywhere up from 2 to 4 months, sometimes as much as 6 months. To feel the results. So, he said, do not put any arthritic creams on my ankles whatsoever, or any essential oils, nothing that would prevent the stem cells from taking effect. So I listen to doctor's advice now when I wanted this to work the worst way. So I ain't take anything on my feet for like, no joke, about 4 years. But I can honestly tell you, by the 6-month mark, I started feeling results. So, and with the help of the hyprocure surgery and stem cell therapy, I was able to do more things now than I was even in my teenage years. Even helped the arthritis. Now, they said for soft tissue stuff like my muscles that were torn, the ligaments, he guaranteed it would help, and the tendons also. He couldn't guarantee the hairline fraction. He couldn't guarantee the arthritis. And if it works on the arthritis now, he couldn't guarantee it would stay like that. All right, fine, whatever. All I can tell you is, when I exert myself a lot, sometimes I feel some pain, but nothing that a couple hours laying on the couch or sitting on my lazy boy won't do. Now, years ago, before I had either of these procedures done, I'd be in pain for days. And I mean days, literally days. So, if you're considering me stem cells, a lot of people say stem cells work better when they come from someone else other than your body. Listen, I could be true. I don't know. I've only had done once to use my own stem cells. And it's worked for me so far. Now, for all you people who are pro-choice, and I am also, pro-choice, who are pro-life, because I am also, there are ways to get stem cells without getting aborted babies. But with those procedures, it's a lot more expensive because you're buying stem cells. With this procedure, my insurance covered everything because they were my own stem cells. So that's my testimony of stem cell therapy in conjunction with hyprocure. Will my feet be perfect? No, but my man, they're a lot better now than I was a kid growing up. And I could do a lot more now as an adult than I could as a kid growing up. So, questions down below. What's your opinion like to know? I'll answer the questions as best I can. And we'll talk to you later.